The road ahead awaits, and BMW Financial Services is here to help you move forward with complete confidence. The new My BMW Account End-of-Term Center makes navigating the lease maturity process easier than ever, with clear, personalized guidance on what's required. To get started, log into your My BMW account on your desktop or mobile device or through the My BMW app. Select End of Term Center from the top menu. At the launch screen, choose what you intend to do at the end of your lease contract. If you are undecided, you are welcome to select Compare Options to explore the different lease maturity options available. You can also contact your BMW retailer with any questions you may have. Once you have made your decision, a clear list of next steps will be available to review in the platform. If you have chosen to return your vehicle in exchange for a new BMW, you will first be required to book an auto-VIN inspection within 75 days of your contract maturity date. To do so, simply select Book Inspection and enter the last 8 digits of your vehicle identification number, followed by your lease account number. Once your auto-VIN inspection is complete, a vehicle inspection report will be available to review. Next, you will be required to return your vehicle to your BMW retailer. All information for this step can be found in the My BMW Account End-of-Term Center. This includes your vehicle return date, retailer contact information, and a lease maturity checklist to help you prepare your vehicle for return. After returning your vehicle, you will receive a final itemized invoice within 2 to 3 weeks, if applicable. Final payment can be made using your checking account on file or via credit card. Once payment has been processed, your lease maturity invoice will be available to download and review. If you have chosen to purchase your BMW, everything you need to know can be found within the My BMW Account End-of-Term Center. To get started, select Purchase My BMW from the initial menu. You will be required to view your payoff details to understand the amount that needs to be paid to take ownership of your BMW. From there, all that's left to do is contact your BMW retailer to complete the next steps and the final payment to own your BMW. It's just that simple. The road ahead is waiting, and it all begins at the My BMW Account End-of-Term Center. Start your journey today by logging into your My BMW account.